Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to separate text in Microsoft Excel. Let's begin. At first, open your Excel document. Then we can see this full name James Johnson. Then separate this first name and last name. This is very easily. Then firstly type James and enter and hold Control E. We can see this separate first name and again Johnson, then enter, hold Control E. Again first adjust first name and last name equal to James space and then enter. Double click to copy automatically, or remove this name and remove this formula. Type James Johnson, enter, hold Control E. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.